How to turn off Instagram story comments. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Instagram app on your device. Ensure to log in and sign into the particular account. Now in order to turn off Instagram story comments, tap the view button or the profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Select three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and select the option for comments, which is under how others can interact with you. Who can comment? Here is the section where you need to tap on stories. Now, under controls, you can easily tap on off and turn off Instagram story comments. You can either block comments from a specific person also if you wish to. So that is how we easily disable Instagram story comments. I hope this video worked for you. Thank you for watching, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.